What this book promises: 1. The importance of patience and discipline. 2. Understanding market psychology. 3. Learning from mistakes. 4. Avoiding the lure of tips and rumors. 5. Recognizing the nature of speculation.
Reminiscences of a Stock Operator. To Jesse Livermore. Chapter I went to work when I was just out of grammar school. I got a job as quotation board boy in a stock brokerage office. I was quick at figures. At school I did 3 years of arithmetic in one. I was particularly good at mental arithmetic. As quotation board boy I posted the numbers on the big board in the customer's room. One of the customers usually sat by the ticker and called out the prices. They couldn't come too fast for me. I have always remembered figures. No trouble at all. There were plenty of other employees in that office. Of course I made friends with the other fellows, but the work I did, if the market was active, kept me too busy from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. to let me do much talking. I don't care for it, anyhow, during business hours. But a busy market did not keep me from thinking about the work. Those quotations did not represent prices of stocks to me, so many dollars per share. They were numbers. Of course, they meant something. They were always changing. It was all I had to be interested in the changes. Why did they change? I didn't know. I didn't care. I didn't think about that. I simply saw that they changed. That was all I had to think about 5 hours every day and 2 on Saturdays, that they were always changing. That is how I first came to be interested in the behavior of prices. I had a very good memory for figures. I could remember in detail how the prices had acted on the previous day, just before they went up or down. My fondness for mental arithmetic came in very handy. I noticed that in advances as well as declines, stock prices were apt to show certain habits, so to speak. There was no end of parallel cases and these made precedents to guide me. I was only 14, but after I had taken hundreds of observations in my mind I found myself testing their accuracy, comparing the behavior of stocks